Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore unique and useful items from around the world. Today, we're taking a look at the best birthday-themed magnets currently available online. The LEIFIDE 12-piece cruise door decorations magnetic set. If you've ever been on a cruise or planned to take one, you already know that finding your stateroom door can sometimes feel like navigating a maze. These magnets are designed to fix that problem while adding style, personality, and a festive birthday touch. So let's talk about what makes this set special. The LEIFIDE magnets come as a pack of 12, and each one has its own unique ocean-themed birthday design. You'll find adorable elements like birthday cakes, balloons, gift boxes, ocean waves, party icons, and cruise ship illustrations. Everything is themed around a fun tropical cruise vibe, using mainly blue colors which complement the nautical environment perfectly. These designs don't just decorate, they help your door stand out so you and your group can find your room quickly. Another great feature is the sizing. These magnets range between 3.2 to 5.5 inches in height, which is large enough to be noticed but small enough to pack easily. They only weigh about 0.24 pounds total, making them extremely travel-friendly. You can slip them into luggage without worrying about space or damage. The material is also worth mentioning. The magnets are made from soft magnetic material, which means they're flexible and gentle on surfaces. They attach easily to metal doors and won't damage or scratch them. They're reusable, sturdy, and built to last through multiple vacations. Many door decoration options use adhesive backing that leaves residue or falls off, but this magnetic option avoids that problem entirely. Once you're done using them on your cruise, you can stick them to a fridge, filing cabinet, whiteboard, locker, dishwasher, car body, or anywhere magnetic. One of the most important advantages of these decorations is practicality. Cruise ships often have long hallways with identical doors, so having something bold and easy to recognize makes navigating faster. Whether you're traveling with family, children, or a large group, your room becomes a landmark. This alone makes cruise door magnets more than just decor, they're functional. Even better, if you're celebrating a birthday on board, these magnets become part of the experience. They make the celebration feel more special and let the crew and passengers share the excitement. It's a small detail that adds a surprising amount of joy. The LEIFIDE set also works beyond birthdays. You can repurpose some of the ocean-themed pieces for future vacations, especially if you cruise regularly. They're also perfect for memory boards, scrapbooks, or seasonal decor. If you're wondering when this product was released, it became available on April 3, 2024. That means it's a fairly new option compared to other cruise magnets and has a more updated design style. To sum it up, the LEIFIDE 12-piece cruise door magnetic birthday decoration set offers variety, durability, convenience, and celebration all in one affordable package. It's a simple but fun way to personalize your space on a cruise and make a birthday extra special. If you'd like to explore more clever and fun travel accessories like this, make sure you subscribe to Product Critique and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.